Hi guys, this is Kevin from The Tool Connection, this week to present Stay Connected. So going on to our first product here is part of the Connect range. The Connect range is a concept called Dealer No More, parts that you've got to buy from the dealers. Great thing about this first box, it's the most popular selling one. It's our Volkswagen electrical connector one. 37396 is the part number. So this connector I'd like to go on about is the ABS sensor. You can order these from your main dealers and you're looking about £6 each. Then you've got the cable inserts, which you're looking roughly around £5 for two sides. The great thing about our boxes on the Connect range, individual part numbers, restock the ones you need rather than buying a whole new box. 47-piece kit, works out just over £1 a connector. Before I put away this box, I'd just like to ask a quick question. How do you normally take these off? Is it push on, pull off, trusty orange screwdriver, snap the tab, use a pick from inside, use a cable tie to put it back together? We've actually got a tool designated for taking these off, reducing your risk of snapping them. Pops in between the case, pops in between the tab, very light pull, and it just pulls the tab and the case. In the kit, on part number 7293, we also have the pin adapters included. With these, you can just push them straight through, and again, you can pull the cable straight out that way. So besides our ever popular Volkswagen range, we also have everything from your Fords, your BMWs, Mercedes, Volkswagen, Peugeot, Citroen. So remember, Dealer No More. Another one of my most popular sellers is this ultra low profile socket set in your 3/8 and your quarter. As you can see, it goes from 8 all the way to your 22. That is your 22mm socket, as well as with your through access. In the kit, you also have the extensions for your quarter. Choose it as a normal ratchet, as well as your 3/8. And it's a quick release, again, to take them out. You've got extensions, as well as your quarter set at the top there, as well as the wobble head. So talking about low profile sets as well, besides our 3/8 set there, we also have this ultra low profile set to get into your really small nitty gritty areas. In here, you have your hex sizes, you have your flat, Torx, and also your Phillips. The next product I'm going to go through is a new product. They are our extracted damaged hex, as well as for extracting damaged Torx. So the first one is our hex. This is covering all the way from your M3 all the way up to your M10s. In your quarters is your M3, M4, M5 and M6, and then the rest are on your 3/8. The next set is on your Torx. These cover all the way up to your T10 to your T40. And again, 3 of them are on your quarter and 4 of them are on your 3/8. If you have the apprentice in the workshop who clearly doesn't understand how to torque up wheel nuts, or doesn't believe in this mythical item of a 1/2" torque wrench, or torques them up to 20 dugger-dugs, what we do have for tightening up wheel nuts is these torsion sticks. They come in your 17, 19 and 21, and they'll torque it up to 108 Newton meters. Let's show you how we use it. So to demonstrate this product, I'd like to do it on this wheel nut. What I recommend, popping it in, get a couple of threads on there, get it onto your impact gun, and that'll be torqued up to 108 Newton meters. After using torsion bars, we do recommend using the 1/2" torque bar to ensure it's not over tightened. Job done. So guys, that's enough from us this week at Stay Connected. So remember, as usual, stay connected, stay safe.